Spency, you want to go get Oliver? Can you say Oliver? Can you say Oliver? Oliver? Where's Oliver? Where's Oliver? His mommy. Where's Oliver?
Oliver.
Where? In his room? Oliver? Do you want to go get him up? Wake him up? Oliver? Say Oliver? You say Oliver?
Oliver.
Yeah. Big boys. You say big boys? You go get the big boy? You see Big Bear? Big Bear. Do you want to go get Big Bear? And Oliver?
Oliver.
Yeah, Oliver. Okay.
Oliver.
We'll go get him.